There's something pretty satisfying for me going to a thrift store, finding something that just speaks to me and I know will complement me. Your style can change from day to day depending on how you are feeling that morning when you decide on the clothes you put on your body. Today we are going to go to a couple new thrift stores in my surrounding area. What exactly am I looking for? More of the accessories, I think, today. I just finished my first thrift store. It was a new experience for me looking at accessories, meaning belts, purses, earrings, jewelry, brooches, ties. That's not something I've done specifically before. However, it worked really well for me. I can do a lot with what I purchased, so I'm pretty happy. And now I'm going to my second spot. We love secondhand anything and everything and reimagining items into new pieces with upcycling and thrift flips. If this is your vibe, definitely subscribe to our channel. We're a new channel here on YouTube and we would love to have you here. And I want to give a shout out to a fellow YouTuber. Her name is Fadelanti. She has, just in these first few videos I've watched of hers, really inspired me and motivated me to think outside of the box in terms of style, in terms of accessories, and I have been influenced by her in just a very short amount of time. Thanks for the inspiration. When you go to a thrift store, you will find so many kinds of jewelry, some vintage, which is the best, some mass-produced, some fashion, some artisanal, and you just get a whole variety, a whole Mod Podge of amazing pieces and finds. So yesterday I went looking specifically for jewelry, that some pieces that would be long, I would like gold, I would like silver, pieces that you can kind of put together and have kind of more of an art statement just with your jewelry instead of your clothing. And I think I did a really good job finding some pretty awesome pieces. Here is a necklace. I just love this, but I thought this would be fun to layer with as well. This was a piece, this is a Kate Spade necklace. I think this is gorgeous. This was, I think, a score for me. This is by the company St. John. This might be faceted onyx with gold, and it has a magnetic clasp. It actually has 3 parts that are magnetic that you could open and close, but it does say St. John on one of those gold facets. Might be hard to pick up. But this is a beautiful piece, and I think these two pieces together will just look really nice. Definitely not on this. I'll show these in some pieces. Well, check out this fun bobbly piece. How crazy is this? I love it. It's crazy, it's blingy, it's so not normally my style. Your style can change from day to day depending on how you are feeling that morning when you decide on the clothes you put on your body. And someday this is going to speak to me, and I have an idea in mind to use this anyway. Here's another huge, chunky, kind of shorter necklace. And all of these pieces were between $2.99 and $3.99. Very inexpensive, very affordable. Here's another chunky necklace. This I'm going to use to decorate a purse, I think. Look at this. I love this. This is a Rebecca Minkoff purse. I just think it's so pretty. I love this gunmetal chain. You can crossbody, you can just put it on the shoulder. It's small, but it'll hold everything you need, meaning your phone, your lip balm, and your wallet. I got this cute bracelet, silver and black. Cute. And then I got a couple belts. This belt is funky. It's elastic, and it has this just metal clasp, but I'm thinking of putting a couple belts together just to add a little bit of a fun flair. Let's get into it. Happy first day of spring. I am working on creating my spring collection here at ReMended and Revival. And honestly, your spring collection should look like you want it to. Don't let anyone tell you that it's boho chic this year and you have to be wearing loose, flowy things if you don't want to. If you want to wear something different, you be you. This is me.
Hey mama, could you get up soon? I get so cold in the other room. Here I am, honey, half awake. Get yourself moving and you'll be okay. Morning star, clear and true. Your honesty could pierce my heart right through. Plans are paper, I'm afraid. Get yourself moving and you'll be okay. Hey Pepper, give us a shake in the newborn grass. You're sure to find a snake. Don't let the serpent change your pace. Get yourself moving and you'll be okay. There's a dream weaver that won't let me alone, and it turns my heart into a head.